Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're learning something super exciting, how to create long videos in VO3 with consistent characters. That means every single scene uses the same character, so your story feels seamless, like watching a real movie. Pretty awesome, right? Alright, without waiting, let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll need a Google account. A free account gives you 5 VO3 videos each month. The Pro plan gives you 50 videos per month. And with the Ultra plan, you can generate unlimited videos. Now go ahead and log into your account. Head over to labs.google, click on Flow, and create a brand new project. Once it's ready, you'll see a clean project dashboard. This is where we can enter prompts manually to create VO3 videos. But here comes the fun part. We're not just entering random prompts. We're going to build a prompt template for long, consistent storytelling. So let's jump into an LLM. This could be ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other. Even the free version works perfectly fine. For this demo, I'll use ChatGPT. Now type in a special prompt. This prompt will tell the LLM that we want to create a video. Not just any video, but one about a cartoon cat cooking cabbage. And we want it broken into 10 steps. This is just a template. You can use any character and customize the actions to create unlimited creative video ideas. The LLM will generate a storyboard for us. Each step becomes a scene, and every scene includes the full character description of the cat. That way the cat stays consistent across all scenes. Here's the magic. Each scene has its own unique action. Together they show the cat step by step, fully cooking the cabbage, from start to finish. Alright, let's run these prompts. For the demo, I'll generate the first 5 steps. Let's wait a moment while VO3 processes them. And now, check this out. The result is amazing. All 5 scenes feature the same cat, perfectly consistent. Now we can stitch them together into a longer video, and it already feels like a short animated film. And now, it gets even more fantastic. Because we can automate the entire process. Yes, with just one click from a single prompt. I've already built an N8N workflow for this. In our last video, we created a workflow that generated one 8-second video in Veo 3. We did it by passing a prompt from an edit field node straight into an API that generates videos using the Veo 3 model. That API could be from Fall AI, Key AI, or even our very own Zero2Launch API, which lets premium members generate unlimited videos. Now we're taking the same idea further. We'll reuse this workflow to generate multiple consistent videos. So let's take a look at the new workflow I've built. Here's the core concept. We pass a single prompt to an LLM, and it gives us back all the scene prompts we need. Just like before, we write a structured prompt for the LLM. Here I'm using Gemini, which is free with a Google account. And as you can see, the output includes a neat list of 10 prompts. Next, we use a function node to clean things up. We strip away the extra output field and keep only our 10 generated prompts. Each prompt still locks in the same character description, and each prompt still contains its own unique action. So the consistency is preserved exactly like we did in ChatGPT. But this time, it's all happening inside N8N, which means everything is automated. Now comes the magic. We pass those 10 prompts into a loop over items node. This loop runs each prompt one by one, starting with the first prompt, then the next, and so on. This keeps the correct scene order, and it also attaches an index to each output. That index becomes crucial later for merging. Inside the loop, we simply send the prompt to the Zero2Launch API. That API handles video generation using the Veo 3 model. And while each video is being created, we use an if node to check if it's finished. Once one video is done, the workflow moves on to the next, step by step until all 10 are complete. When the loop finishes, we now have 10 video URLs, all neatly ordered. We clean them one more time, and prepare them as the input for the merging API. Finally, we pass everything into an internal Zero2Launch API for merging. The body includes all 10 video URLs, plus the final video name, which is auto-generated using a timestamp to keep it unique. The API then returns a task ID. This task ID is super important because we'll use it to track and retrieve the video while it's processing. Next, we simply wait a little bit. The server is now busy merging all our clips into one single long video. Once that's done, we use a check final video node. This node pulls the final video URL from the system. And here it is, our completed video link. But we're not finished yet. To actually watch or download the video, we need to add a base URL in front of the endpoint. Then we make a quick HTTP request that loads the full video file directly. And just like that, here we go. Let's play the final video together.
Bro.
Look at that, all scenes are perfectly stitched. The character stays consistent the whole way through, and the story feels like one smooth continuous animation. Pretty incredible, right? Currently, our Zero2Launch API is running on top of the Veo 3 model. It generates videos in sequence, so every member's workflow runs smoothly, similar to how other paid APIs handle it. But here's the exciting part. We're already preparing to launch a professional tool. This tool will come with a special Ultra Plan Google account. And get this, it's going to be more than 8 times cheaper than buying directly from the Google Gemini website. With this plan, members can generate unlimited Veo 3 videos. and not just one at a time. You'll also be able to run multiple videos concurrently. Here's how it works. We input all 10 scene prompts, each written in a paragraph. Then with just one click on generate, the system spins up all 10 scenes at the same time. For this demo, I kept it simple with 10 concurrent runs. But in reality, we can configure it to run even more in parallel. We can edit or retry any single scene if the result isn't quite what we want. In just about 2 minutes, we've managed to generate 10 videos. Pretty awesome, right? Finally, we take all the generated clips and merge either some of them or all of them into one smooth long video. This is human-in-the-loop automation at its best. You get full control over every step with a pipeline that's fully automated from start to finish. And now, let's check out the new final video one more time.
아쭈.
Pretty amazing, right? And here's the best part. We can actually build any style of video we want. From action-packed adventures, to heartwarming stories, to fun cartoons, the possibilities are endless.
At first, all he could hear was the sound of the wind rustling through the leaves and the chirping of birds high above. But Umo remained patient. He focused all of his attention.
Not only that, we can create multiple characters in the same story, and even add dialogues between them, just like in a real movie. All of this is possible simply by mastering the prompts, because once you understand how to structure them, the creative control is completely in your hands. We'll be covering all of these techniques very soon, so make sure to stick around, because what's coming next is going to be a game changer. Join us inside the Zero2Launch Premium community.